Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to break a master link like this with just some pliers. So what you're going to want to do is loosen up the vice grips, and you're going to want to squeeze them right about there with them, and then done. So you're going to want to come over. You're going to want to squeeze it right there. And it usually will take you a few tries. Done. Hold up. Okay, I'll get back to you as soon as I break it. Bam, just like that. I found the easiest way is to get it like right on this bearing right here. Get the clamps if you can. And bam, broke it right in piece. So, yeah. See ya.